Ẹ kú dédé àsìkò yìí. Hello everyone, welcome to ispeakyoruba2.com. This is your one-stop place for everything Yoruba language. Thank you for learning Yoruba language with I Speak Yoruba Too. Ẹ káàbọ̀ ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi. Welcome everyone. My name is Eniola and you're listening to I Speak Yoruba Too. Today's lesson is a very important one, like very important, and you'll find out the reason real soon. In the previous lesson, you learned how to say that you're good or bad at doing something, and we look at 4 different expressions. One of those expressions is mo, which is to know. Did you remember the rule you need to use the word mo when saying that you're good or bad at doing something? Well, the rule is that you have to use mo with the noun form of a verb. I introduced you a little bit to making nouns from verbs in Yoruba. In this lesson, you will learn more about how to make verbs into nouns or adjectives in Yoruba. The use of derivative nouns or adjectives are very common in daily Yoruba conversations. A máa ń lò wọ́n gan ni ní gbogbo ìgbà. That is why it is very important that you know how to change a word from its verb form into a noun or adjective. If you can do this, ó máa ràn yín lọ́wọ́ gan ni. Like, it will be of great benefit to you because it will help you to improve your Yoruba knowledge and skills a whole lot. So, ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ tẹ́tí sílẹ̀ dáadáa sí ẹ̀kọ́ yìí because to some of you, ẹ̀kọ́ yìí lè le díẹ̀ fún yín. Might just be a little bit difficult for some of you, but if you are the type of person that really enjoys the breaking down of words to see how they came about, you enjoy grammar, then you will really like this. But for everybody else, ẹ má bẹ̀rù, okay? Don't be scared. Trust me, you will enjoy it as well. Ṣé ti gbọ́? Okay, èèyàn mi, let's get into it. Changing a verb into a noun in Yoruba works a little bit like prefix in English. So take for instance the word happy becoming unhappy. Un is added to the beginning of the word happy to make it unhappy. Something similar is done in Yoruba. Alright, let's look at our first example. The first verb we will look at is sun. Sun. Sun is a verb that means to sleep. To change sun into a noun or an adjective, we need to add a prefix. But where does the prefix come from? Unlike English, Yoruba does not have a set of ready-to-use prefixes. Unfortunately, you will have to derive them yourself in relation to the verb being used. Ṣùgbọ́n kò le rárá. It's not difficult at all. All you need to derive a prefix is this simple rule. You will add the letter E. This is a Yoruba alphabet, not English. So, you will add the letter E to the first letter of the verb you want to change into a noun or adjective. Let's look at our sample verb. Sun. Sun is spelled Si-U-Ni. Sun. I want to believe that by now you all know the Yoruba alphabet, don't you? Please tell me you do. But just in case some of you don't, please watch lessons 1 to 3 on I Speak Yoruba Too YouTube channel. The link is in the show details. Okay? So, sun is spelled Si-U-Ni. The first letter of the verb sun is si. Now, we will add the letter E to it and we will have si. Si, that is si and E gives us si. And that's our prefix. We will now add our derived prefix to the verb sun, okay? And it will give us the word sísun. Sísun. Sísùn. Easy, isn't it? I understand that it might seem difficult, but it's not. Ó rọrùn gan ni. Ó dáa, ẹ jẹ́ ká wo àwọn àpẹẹrẹ míì sí. Okay, let's look at some more construction example and then look at their meanings and uses afterwards. Alright, let's look at the verb rà. Rà means to buy. If I added the derived prefix to rà, it will become rírà. Rírà. How did I come about that? It's simple. I took the first alphabet of the verb rà, which is letter rí, and I added the letter I to it to make the prefix rí. Then I added the prefix rí to rà, and it becomes rírà. 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 Ṣé ẹ rí pé kò le rárá? Can you see it's not difficult at all? Ẹ jẹ́ ká wo àpẹẹrẹ mi. Sún. Sún. Sún is a verb that means to roast or to burn. Sún restructured will become sísùn. Sísùn. Because the first alphabet of sún is sí. Added to the letter I, it becomes sí. Then added to sún, it becomes sísùn. Sísùn. Do you understand it a bit better now? Ṣó yé yín díẹ̀díẹ̀ sí? All you need to remember is how to make the prefix, which is the first alphabet of any verb you want to change, together with letter I. Okay? Mo mọ̀ pé èèyàn mi ẹ smart gan. So now I'm just going to tell you the verbs and its restructured form. Alright? Okay. Rí. Rí means to see. Restructured form is rírì. Rírì. Lọ. Lọ means to go. Restructured form is lílọ. Lílọ. Jẹ. Jẹ means to eat. Restructured form is jíjẹ. Jíjẹ. Ṣe. Ṣe means to do. Restructured form is ṣíṣe. Ṣíṣe. Sè. Sè means to cook. Restructured form is sísè. Sísè. Wò. Wò means to watch. Restructured form is wíwò. Wíwò. Nù. Nù means to clean. And the restructured form is nínù. Nínù. Okay, so we have looked at some verbs and their restructured form. And these restructured forms are sísùn, rírà, sísun, rírì, lílọ, jíjẹ, ṣíṣe, sísè, wíwò, and nínù. Okay, what do they mean and how are they used? Words derived like this through the use of creating these prefixes can have three distinct meanings when used in different settings. 1. They could mean the thing you do or the act of doing something. For example, I like eating, I like sleeping, or I like cooking. 2. It can mean the thing you do now. Not the thing you're doing right now, but kind of like a change in something. So you do something before, but you do this now. If you're asked, oh, what do you do now? You could say, I cook now. Kind of like a change in job. It can mean that. 3. They are also used as adjectives to modify nouns. It can also mean the fact that you're doing something, the fact that you do something. Alright? Let's see how this word we restructured are used in different settings. Sísùn. Sísùn can mean sleeping, as in what you do or what is being done or the act of sleeping. But mostly it is used as an adjective to modify the noun orun. Orun means sleep, but it's a noun, not a verb. Ọ̀rọ̀ orun sísùn ni wọ́n ń sọ. Ọ̀rọ̀ orun sísùn ni wọ́n ń sọ. Ọ̀rọ̀ orun sísùn ni wọ́n ń sọ. They are discussing about sleep. Orun sísùn ni mo fẹ́ràn jù. Orun sísùn ni mo fẹ́ràn jù. Orun sísùn ni mo fẹ́ràn jù. Sleeping is my hobby. Sleeping is what I like to do. Orun sísùn ni mo fẹ́ràn jù. Rírà. Rírà means buying or the act of buying. Ó jọ pé màá kọ́ ọjà rírà o. Ó jọ pé màá kọ́ ọjà rírà o. Ó jọ pé màá kọ́ ọjà rírà o. It seems I will learn the act of buying things. Nǹkan rírà ò mọ́ mi lára. Nǹkan rírà ò mọ́ mi lára. Nǹkan rírà ò mọ́ mi lára. I'm not used to buying things. Sísun. Sísun means roasted or the act of roasting. Mo ra àgbàdo sísun. Mo ra àgbàdo sísun. Mo ra àgbàdo sísun. I bought roasted corn. Àgbàdo sísun le o. Àgbàdo sísun le o. Àgbàdo sísun le o. Roasting corn is difficult. Rírí. Rírí means seeing or the act of seeing. Rírí ìyá àgbà máa ń múnú mi dùn gan. Rírí ìyá àgbà máa ń mú inú mi dùn gan. Rírí ìyá àgbà máa ń múnú mi dùn gan. Seeing grandma always makes me happy. Lílọ. Lílọ means the act of going or going. Oko lílọ gbàgbára. Oko lílọ gba agbára. Oko lílọ gbàgbára. Going to the farm requires energy. Jíjẹ. Jíjẹ means eating, something edible, or the act of eating. Kò sí nǹkan jíjẹ kankan nílé. Kò sí nǹkan jíjẹ kankan nílé. Kò sí nǹkan jíjẹ kankan nílé. There is nothing edible at home. Ṣíṣe. Ṣíṣe means doing or the act of doing. Ṣíṣe àwọn iṣẹ́ yìí ṣe pàtàkì gan-an. Ṣíṣe àwọn iṣẹ́ yìí ṣe pàtàkì gan-an. Ṣíṣe àwọn iṣẹ́ yìí ṣe pàtàkì gan-an. Doing these jobs are very important. Sísè. Sísè. Sísè means cooked, cooking, boil, or the act of cooking. A jẹ iṣu sísè. A jẹ iṣu sísè. A jẹ iṣu sísè. We ate boiled yam. Okay, ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, we have just 2 more sample sentences to go. Ṣé ti gbọ́? Wíwò. Wíwò means watching or the act of watching. Kò sí fíìmù wíwò lénìí o. Kò sí fíìmù wíwò lénìí o. Kò sí fíìmù wíwò lénìí o. There is no watching movie today. And the last sample sentence for today is with the word nínú. Nínú. Nínú means cleaning or the act of cleaning. Nínú ni mò ń nulé látàárọ̀. Nínú ni mò ń nu ilé látàárọ̀. Nínú ni mò ń nulé látàárọ̀. House cleaning is what I've been doing all day. Is that what you've been doing? Ó dá ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi. This is just one of many different word restructured patterns used in Yoruba language. You will learn more patterns in future lessons. Ṣé ti gbọ́? Let me use this opportunity to ask you guys, ṣé ẹ fẹ́ràn ẹ̀kọ́ èdè Yorùbá kíkọ́ mi? Do let me know. Àríjù báyìí lọ lórí ẹ̀kọ́ yìí, màá rí yín láìpẹ́. And that's it from Eniola today. See you all again soon. Ó dàbọ̀.